they extend a warm greeting to all of you to this exciting and vibrant session. Now Tushar will tell us about Sikkim's festival and its.
Good morning. My name is Tushar and I am a student of class 10th A. Today I am going to talk about the topic Sikkim's festivals and its holidays. Sikkim festivals are celebrated with a lot of pomp and show and as per Buddhist calendar. Sikkim's Nepalese majority celebrate all major Hindu festivals including Tihar, which is Diwali, and Dasharan, which is Dashera. Traditional local festivals such as Maghe Sankranti, Sakela, and Bhimsen Puja are popular. Losar, Sagadawa, and Bhumju are among the Buddhist festivals which are celebrated in Sikkim. During the Losar, which is Tibetan New Year, most offices and educational institutions are closed for a week. Sikkimese Muslims celebrate Eid-ul-Fitr and Muharram, and Christmas has been promoted in Gangtok to attract tourism in their off-season. Thank you.
Thanks Tushar for such an informative speech. Now Divyanshu will come up and tell us about Sikkim's flora and fauna.
Good morning everyone, this is Divyanshu and now I am going to present my views on Sikkim's flora and fauna. Sikkim is home to around 5,000 species of flowering plants, 515 rare orchids, 60 primula species, 36 rhododendron species, 11 oak varieties, 23 bamboo varieties, 16 conifer species, 362 types of ferns and ferns alleys, 8 tree ferns, and over 900 medicinal plants. A relative of the poinsettia, locally known as Christmas flower, can be found in abundance in the mountainous state. The noble dendrobium is the official flower of the Sikkim, while the rhododendron is the official tree. Thank you.
Thank you Divyanshu for telling us such eye-opening facts. Now Manas will interact on the topic Sikkim's cleanliness.
Good morning everyone, this is Manas. So today I am going to interact with you on the topic cleanliness in Sikkim. Sikkim was the cleanliest state in India according to the reports of 2016. This record was reiterated in the recently conducted Swachhata survey undertaken by the National Sample Survey Office based on the condition of sanitation in Indian states. According to the report, all 4 of Sikkim's districts rank among top 10 districts in cleanliness. About 98.2% households are equipped with clean toilets and 100% of Sikkim's population use community or household toilets. Sikkim began its cleanliness drive over a decade before Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Swachh Bharat Mission. It was 17 years ago in 2003 when Pawan Chamling-led government launched the Total Sanitation campaign for the state. They began by sensitizing people to adopt a holistic approach that would improve hygiene, protect the environment, and accelerate the overall development of the state. Next, it constructed 98,043 toilets, surpassing its own target of 87,014. Of these, 61,493 toilets were built for below poverty line families. There was also an effort to install public filters for drinking water, improve drainage system in the major cities like Gangtok and Namche.
Thanks Manas for the wonderful speech. Now Yash will express his views on Sikkim's political scenario.
Morning, this is Yashwan from class 10th A. My topic is Government and Politics of Sikkim. According to the Constitution of India, Sikkim has parliamentary system of representative democracy for its governance. The government of Sikkim is divided into 3 sectors: executive, judiciary, and legislature. In 1975, after the abrogation of Sikkim monarchs, the Indian National Congress gained a majority in 1977 elections. In 1975, after the period of instability, a popular ministry headed by Nar Bahadur, leader of Sikkim Sangram, was spawned. Gandhi held on power in 1984 and 1989 elections. In 1994 elections, Pawan Kumar Chamling of the Sikkim Democratic Front became the Chief Minister of State. Chamling and his party has since held on a power by winning the 1999, 2004, 2009 and 2014 elections. The 2019 Legislative Assembly election were won by the Sikkim Krantikari Morcha party and the Chief Minister since then is Prem Singh. The current government of Sikkim is of Ganga Prasad.
Thanks, Yash, for such an impressive speech. That was a lot of information on Sikkim. Thank you all for sharing this information. I hope you all like this presentation. Thank you.